Have you ever wondered how legends like Warren Buffett, Jack Ma, Chris Gardner, or Ronald Read turn few dollars into billions? Or are you one of those 79% people who dream to become a millionaire, but it's forever a dream? Hold on, because what if I told you that the path to your first million could be as simple as investing $1,000 monthly for the next 15 years? Stick around. In this video, you will be learning game-changing strategy to turn your dreams into reality. After diving into the life stories of these icons, one fundamental principle shines through is the power of compounding. Whether it's Warren Buffett, Jack Ma, Chris Gardner, or Ronald Read, it's the secret they understood that letting your money work for you over time can lead to exponential growth. By reinvesting their earnings consistently, everyone witnessed their wealth multiply exponentially. Warren Buffett, regarded as one of the most successful investors of all time, is a prime example of how the power of compounding can lead to immense wealth over time. At the tender age of 11, young Warren used his savings to purchase 3 shares of Citi's Service Preferred at $38.25 per share. 3 months after his purchase, he sold the stocks at $1.40 per share, missing out the gain of $200 after 6 months. Buffett learned the importance of patience and holding on to quality investments for the long term. With time, he consistently invested and reinvested his earnings and allowed them to compound over decades. Through disciplined investing and a long-term approach, Buffett's net worth grew exponentially, making him one of the wealthiest individuals in the world. Warren once said, "The most powerful force in the universe is compound interest, and price is what you pay, value is what you get." So what exactly is compounding? Imagine this: you plant a seed, you nurture it, and slowly it grows into a big, beautiful tree. Compounding works similarly with your money. It's the process where your initial investment or asset generate an earning, and this earning is reinvested to generate additional earnings. Over time, compounding allows your money to grow exponentially, leading to significant wealth accumulation. Ronald Read, another legend and undercover millionaire, was once a Vermont gas station attendant and janitor who, upon his death in 2014, left behind an estate worth over $8 million. His journey starts by investing in stock market by purchasing shares of blue-chip companies. Once Read owned shares in these companies, he benefited from the dividends they paid out to shareholders. Instead of cashing out these dividends, Read chose to reinvest them back into the same companies, allowing his investments to grow steadily over time. Read's story is a testament to the transformative potential of compounding. From the life lessons of these wealthiest people in the world, here are some principles which can lead you to success. The first rule is to start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Then you need to stay consistent. Consistency is key to harnessing the power of compounding. Make regular contributions to your investments, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or annually. David Rear, president of Salem Investment Council, has once said, "Start early, as young as you can, and even if it's a small amount, just keep doing it." The most important principle is to reinvest earnings. Reinvesting is the key. Instead of withdrawing earnings, reinvest them back into your investments to compound over time. Even small amounts reinvested consistently over a long period can lead to substantial wealth accumulation. The fourth rule is to focus on quality. Invest in high-quality assets with strong growth potential and consistent returns. And the last but important rule is be patient. Compounding is a long-term strategy that requires patience and discipline. While the effects of compounding may not be immediately noticeable, they become more pronounced over time. 79% of the people in their life don't understand how to implement power of compound interest in their life. Suze Orman, in her recent interview, said that lots of people in their 20s miss out on hundreds of thousands of dollars in retirement savings because they don't understand the value of compounding. and that the key to their financial independence is their age. Now let's calculate how power of compounding can make you millionaire. I assume many of you in your 20s do manage to save $1,000 each month, but have you ever wondered that you can generate $1 million by the end of 15 years through this $1,000? Let's break down how this could be achieved. All you need to do is find an investment where annual growth return rate must be 25% or above. Whether it's stocks, crypto, real estate, or any other investment avenue, you have to hunt for opportunities that promise 25% or above growth, such as average annual return of S&P 500 index is 26.29%. So through $1,000, monthly saving your annual investment would be $12,000 with 25% interest rate. By consistently reinvesting any dividends, interest, or capital gains earned from your investments over the next 15 years, you can potentially reach $1.3 million portfolio by the end of 15 years. Out of $1.3 million profit, your contribution will be just 14%, which is $180,000. However, your profit through interest will be 86%, which is $1.1 million. You can see the exponential growth through the power of compounding. Isn't this sounds amazing? I am sure 90% from you might not have wondered that you can earn $1 million by saving just $1,000 every month by the power of compounding. This dream of becoming millionaire need consistency, wealth-building mindset, habit formation, and roadmap for financial growth, and for that, I recommend you this above video. However, it's important to note that achieving a consistent annual growth rate of 25% or above is not guaranteed. Annual return may affect through inflation rate and taxes. Therefore, you should conduct thorough research and consider their risk tolerance before making investment decisions. Additionally, the power of compounding can amplify returns over time, but it requires disciplined reinvestment of dividends, interest, or capital gains. Thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next video.